Model 2014 VAUXHALL Movano F3500 L3H1 Cdti low loader spare OR repairs. Body white, Luton box. Mileage 277,137. Engine 2299 cc 2.3125 pse 5D. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: takes a few more cranks to start than average. Runs need injector 2 and 3 replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.